Welcome back, guys. How are you doing on this Thursday? Hopefully you had a good day in the market. Levi, man, this thing is on a tear. I don't even, I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. It's in my long term, but sold a covered call, and I'm gonna get exercise, so I'm gonna miss out on some of these gains. But got a lot of strength. I don't really want it in my long term though. No dividend, and it's low, and I don't know. But this thing's going crazy. Just keeps going. So I don't, let's see, because it's like even pre-COVID, it's halfway there. I guess you gotta get your jeans on, man. Today for us, yeah, it was pretty bad most of the day, really. We're down 340 something here, and a lot of it was just our shares. Tesla was down, Rocket was down. They all kind of went down extended hours last night, and then kind of slowly crept up during the day. Solo dropped down too. I was kind of bummed about it. I was hoping to be able to hold that support, but looks like it's found a little base here, maybe. I kind of like this. I like this. I don't think I'm gonna do covered calls on it. There's no. Oh, I guess they actually have some. They have some premium on them now. Oh, because it's November 20th. Yeah, there's just not a whole lot of premium on these, so probably just hold the shares for now. Maybe if it rips up a bunch, I'll sell something on it. Yeah, a lot of stuff was down today, and then Levi ripped up late. Novin was down, then now it's up. Bot came up. Tesla just kind of sold off. Rocket. I did a SPY credit spread. Let's see. For some reason I can't log into my Webull right now. Scary. Chinese brokerage. I did a SPY credit spread, so like right about here. I was bearish on the day. I saw this and I was like, okay, it's trending down for sure. Big gap down. I thought I was gonna have a little bounce and then keep selling off, but no, it kept ripping up. So I did a call credit spread, and I did it right about, let's see where did I do it, right about here. I did the call credit spread. I was like, okay, this thing, or where was it? No, it was right here, somewhere right around here, I don't know. And then it did this move, and I'm like, okay, no problem. And then it, you know, well, no, actually it did this move, and I was like, okay, it's not gonna, as long as it doesn't go above this top right here. I was like, okay, this is definitely a resistance, so if it stays below that, then it'll be making lower highs, and then hopefully the low will be lower, which is, it's a good way to see a trend, the highs and the lows. So it does this, and then it passes that, and it goes up here. I'm like, oh shoot, I went the wrong way on it. This thing's gonna be bullish today. So right here, I mean, sometimes a SPY will do this and then plummet, but this trend, I was like, no, my strike price is way too close also. It's for 348, which is right here. If I had it like 352 or something crazy, where even if it went up today, it wouldn't get to tomorrow, but I was too close on it. So right here, it came up here, and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna sell, and it was starting to lose a lot of value. It wasn't a whole lot. I mean, I only had like 4 or 5 contracts. I was like, I know it's gonna come down. It was way above the VWAP, and I figured it'd actually do this. It doesn't always do this, but comes up, and then, you know, it's stair steps. So came up here, and then right about here, I bottom ticked it. I did it right to get out of it, because I kind of thought it'd come down a little bit more and then go up, but once I saw these, it's starting to flat out right here, I sold out. I had a little loss, just like probably 20 bucks, 30 bucks on that, and then I was so glad I did, because now it's coming up here and here and here. This is very bullish, and I think tomorrow will be green. So not only will it be green, I think it'll be well above 348 by close. It's just way too close. I'm not, even though there's a few contracts, I'm not trying to mess around with that. I don't care about diamond hands when it comes to credit spreads. I learned my lesson, so I'm getting in out of trades quick. I would just get scared right away. If I don't have the trend pretty much right after I buy it, especially if it's got tomorrow expiration, if I don't have the trend right, if I got it wrong, I'm gonna try and figure out a way to get out, if I don't have a lot of room on it. Now some of these longer ones, like a week, I've only done a week, I guess, mostly. A week is a long one for me. Then if I have it wrong right away, then yeah, but I'll usually give it some time depending on what's going on. But with the SPY, I was like, I'm getting out of it, I don't care. I did pick up, let's see, Domino's. Yeah, I was already in Domino's, so that one's looking good. That's got full value, even though I couldn't close it, so that'll close tomorrow. It'll expire worthless. And then BA, unless Domino's has ridiculous news or something, like the pepperonis are small children's fingers all this time. That's the case, then I'll probably lose that money, but if not, I think we'll be fine. BA, I think we'll be good on. It's been bullish. It looks, this is this. Okay, so it's losing value here, which is what you want in the options contract when you're selling premium. So if we look at Boeing though, it's looking pretty good for the day. I opened this actually like right about here. I just looked at the chart and I thought it could be a bull trap, and I wasn't sure right after I opened it because I saw this and I saw this big doji up here on the hour chart, and I was like, I don't know. And then I saw this big doji or whatever on the bottom, and then this, and then as the day progressed, I saw that it seems like it's going to be bullish, and I think it'll close above 160. So it's pretty aggressive. I mean, I'm liking these better, using less collateral and just a little less probability than the super high probability, tons of collateral. Because when those go south, it's like, it's just happens quick. If it's close to the expiration, like on the SPY, the ones I lost on, it just happens fast. And I mean, unless if I have more time, if I have like a week on it or more, then yeah, maybe I could do more with higher probability. But if I have the trend wrong and I don't have much time on it, it's just, you got to dump it. But I think this is good. If this for some reason like opens down here tomorrow, then I'll look for bounces to get out of it. I'll look for a little bounce to get out. But if it opens flat or up, yeah, I'll be Gucci on that one. Sorry, I don't like people use that word, so I like to use it. BA and Dominoes. Those are the only two I have open now. I was going to open up another one, the SPY, and I was like, no, I'm not going to push it. These two are going to be good. We'll collect the premium on those. This Dominoes one's pretty good, actually. 164. BA one is not bad. And then what was the other one we had? Oh, well, the draft, was it DraftKings? Yeah, we closed that out yesterday for a loss. So, yep. Small losses and big gains. That's what we want. That's pretty much it on this account. Webull, can't log into it. I made a couple stupid little gambling plays and I immediately regretted it. And so I got out of them and I was like, just stop it. I'm not here to gamble. So that happens. It seems like you just got to back away and just, you know, you're playing with real money. Don't gamble. So I got out of those and I'm glad, because that was stupid. And this account, I want it to be a slow savings account. Webull now, since I can't do spreads on here, I've got to be careful with that. My E-Trade, can't do spreads on here either now because there's not enough capital in it. I'm slowly losing money. No, I think we'll be all right. I'm getting the hang of it a little bit with credit spreads, and I'm doing some like swing trading just with shares now too, which is a lot safer. It's slower, but I see a good green day on a stock where I think it'll run up. Actually, I did that with what did I do with today? Neo. Did it with Neo, which way oversold, like goes against what I think, but these big green candles, it had passed, it was right after it passed the high, the after hours trading high. So like right here, I bought in, and it didn't actually have a huge run, but I sold out like right here. But just to kind of get comfortable with it and familiarize myself. I was hoping it was going to go crazy, but made a little bit on that, and then it kind of sold off, so that was a good idea. I was watching it though. If it kind of consolidated and stayed flat, and then if it passed this high right here, then I would have grabbed back in, but yeah, it didn't. So that was it for today. I'm trying to keep it mellow, trying not to go crazy with stuff. Actually, that's not bad for solo. I mean, this was kind of a reaction, so every reaction is kind of an overreaction, thanks Zip Trader. So this is kind of just a correction from that reaction, maybe, and maybe this is kind of a new support, this area, you know, because it did sell off here, but it's starting to show strength again. So I don't know, solo might be sick in the long term. Neo, I like Neo, but got a bunch of Chinese funding. We don't know about the numbers since it is coming from China. It could be inflated quite a bit. Yeah, I'm not sure on that, but hopefully this week we close green. Today, yeah, today was pretty bad, really. I mean, look at this. We were up on the week, and that was after that bad day. That's when the DraftKings, I lost probably 150, 200 bucks on that DraftKings play. I closed out early, and it's a good thing. If you guys watched yesterday's video, I mean, I had like a 50. It was way up here. So we were coming down here. Remember yesterday? It was here consolidating, and I was selling out. I was like, all right, I'm done. This is a bear flag. I'm done. I thought the bottom was here. Nope. This was a bear flag. I got out here. Small loss. Like my max loss on that trade was like $2,000, I think, maybe 2,500. I pulled out, and I only lost maybe 150, 200, and it's a good freaking thing. Look at this thing, just tanked the rest of the day. After hours went down, tanked today. So it's fine to cut your losses. There's no shame in that. So I don't know where the bottom is on this, honestly. I want to make sure and catch it for that run back up. And on this, I don't even know what I'll do. I might do shares, swing trade. I feel like the call options are going to be expensive, so maybe sell premium on the way up. I'll put credit spreads. But yeah, I'm glad I got out of that one. But anyways, yeah, on the week, I think tomorrow might be able to stretch it, because this one, that one's showing full value. BA will come up a little bit. Yeah, we'll get 50 bucks more on that. And then hopefully these shares kind of bounce back from today, them coming down. Actually, these are going to expire. I'm not sure if Robinhood shows if it's reflecting this being negative 188, because that happened last week. It was like on Friday I was fine and everything expired and it went down. So I'm not sure. I think it does. I think it's reflecting that. And then also this debit spread, which this has been worthless for days, so that shouldn't matter. But these, let's see, all these are going to expire. So I think tomorrow we should be green, and hopefully we're green on the week for tomorrow. And the SPY tomorrow, I believe, will be green. I said it. I said today was going to be red. Let's see. Today actually wasn't. It was. I was right. Today was red. Because it closed here and it closed here. So it was a red day. Down 0.12%. I called it. I barely called it, because this was bullish most of the day, but it was a red day today. And tomorrow I think it'll be green. So that's it from me, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, and make your money happy money, so stick around. We will see you mañana. It's out.